How to log in Canva account on phone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Canva application on your device. You can easily download the application from your App Store or your Play Store. Once opened, you will see various options to log in, such as you can log in with Apple, Google, Facebook, email. You can also tap on the Continue Another Way option and see various other options for logging in to Canva too. In today's video, we will log in with Google. So go ahead and tap on the Continue with Google option, and in the pop-up that appears, tap on the Continue option and then tap on Continue again. And with this, you will be successfully logged in to Canva. So this is how you can log in to Canva account on phone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.